Hey, this is Sean with 2020 Vision. We're here to create dreams and breakthroughs and crush fear and distortion. And dude, I'm in 90210 world, and where we come from on the East Coast, that's like some crazy mythical place. You live there, and you work there. This is my dear friend Kathy, the incredible Beverly Hills plastic surgeon. What's that like, and how did that even begin for you?
It's amazing. So I started my journey in surgery.
By the way, showing up in scrubs nonetheless. Right? So.
And then specialized in cosmetic surgery, and then did fellowship training in hair transplantation, and that's where my world is. Yeah.
Right, but how did that happen? So listen, like you have a dream. I work with a lot of physicians, by the way, back in New Jersey, New York, where my offices are, and so many folks struggle to build a clientele. How did you succeed at building a clientele in Beverly Hills? Because people that are not even doctors are interested in building their business. Obviously, you're incredible at what you do. So I know that. So that's a given. How did you build that relationship base? How did you do that?
Sean, because I'm very authentic and I wanted to bring the inner beauty out, I was just very turned off. I was trained in the East Coast and I was very turned off with how people look in the West Coast, the typical, no names, but the look. And it was very unauthentic to me. And so patients come to me because they trust me for a natural look and a natural makeover, men and women. So that's why they're drawn to me.
But that's in service of how great you are. And I'm not asking for names, of course, but how did you generate your first Beverly Hills client? I mean, these are very discriminating people in the industry, right?
I've never even advertised once, so it's 100% word of mouth. And we are booked nonstop just for the natural result, which, physicians cannot deliver in Beverly Hills.
Okay, so what that tells me is that your sort of beingness, your rapport building with your patients has to be off the charts. Because there's no way you can have that kind of repeat business unless that was true.
Right, like Tony said, love and connection. If you connect with people and you treat them like family.
Could you tell them that?
Yeah, honestly,
please?
if you treat people like family and you show love and you connect with patients, not only do they come to you, they bring their mom, they bring their aunt, they bring their grandma. And that's how my practice grew. And we're always booked for men and women. I mean, it's just nonstop. Yeah, it's amazing.
Absolutely remarkable. And so my first introduction to you was at an intervention at Day with That's Thing. So we met through the Tony Robbins world. But how? And so, for a little bit of fun, because people are probably thinking, what comes up for me when I hear Beverly Hills, when I hear plastic surgeon, I think, wow, you must deal with an amazingly demanding clientele. And is that true or not true?
That is true. There's a lot of stories to be told. Yeah, we have a lot of clientele that are celebrities, and I have to close the entire section for them. And we meet clients. They come in their limo at 12 o'clock, at 1 o'clock in the morning, and the whole office, the whole building, there's nobody in there except for me greeting them and providing the...
so they want total, secrecy, privacy.
Secrecy, total privacy. The whole building is shut. And the whole entire areas, the surgery center, the medical center, the spa, everything is dedicated to them. And the entire staff is ready to meet and greet them no matter what time it is.
Have you ever had a weird request? Ever from somebody? Or what would be the weirdest request about something that you could ever remember?
Sean, I'm only saying this for you.
Thank you.
So I have...
we're getting inside dirt from Beverly Hills plastic surgery.
I've had, I can write a book about this. I've converted more men to women because, they wanted to do breast augmentation, which I respect. And also, a lot of females that come to me, and one in particular wanted to be, Sean, you asked me for too much details, but she wanted to be a virgin again. So I had to...
It's getting real on 2020 Vision right now.
It's getting real. So I had to do the surgery. She was marrying a guy in Turkey that she met online. And so after the surgery, she disappeared. Only for you, Sean. And
this is unbelievable. Have you ever told that story outside your office or not?
Not really. This is the first. And she never came back for a follow-up. So 6 months later, she came back, and I said, "Wow, what happened?" I said, "You moved to Turkey." And she said, "No, his dad came, and we had a great time with the father instead of the group, and the marriage was canceled." So she came back to me to be a virgin again, a second time. So This is only for you, Sean.
This is unbelievable.
Yeah. Too much detail, but that is.
No, it's not too much detail. That
But
is
I mean, I
absolutely.
can write books and stories about surgeries I've done, patients I've seen, and the crazy demands.
That is utterly unbelievable. I would buy that book in a heartbeat. And I don't like trauma and typical, but that sounds utterly amazing. So your mission is to bring out folks' inner beauty. I heard that message. Do you ever? Are there times when you feel that anybody might be overdoing it in terms of the world of what the work that they want to do?
I think psychology plays a key factor, and it's very important to be honest and authentic with patients. And if they have done too much work, I usually bring them back to give them confidence and to gain their trust without just touching them. And if you do that on a couple of occasions, then you can calm the patient down and just work with them as they request, but on a natural level.
Awesome. And so for a lot of the folks that are out there in the ecosystem, the Tony Robbins Plaid ecosystem, and other amazing people out there, how would they get in touch with you if they wanted to bring out their inner beauty?
Absolutely. They can go to my website at bevhillscosmeticsurgery.com, or they can just call the office at 310-275-4155, or just follow me on Instagram, Dr. Kathy Gohart.
Right. And Kathy, you've been amazing to me. Every time I walk into the room, you're there with a greeting and a hug. You just bring so much warmth and authenticity, and I mean that with all my heart. So thank you, love you.
Thank you, Sean. I love you too. Thank you.
Hey, we're all just learning to sing.